Reincarnation is often seen as a mystical idea. It is usually associated with souls traveling between lives. However, there's a scientific way to look at reincarnation. Imagine it as a process of energy changing. Everything in the universe is made of energy. This energy doesn't disappear when something dies. Instead, it spreads out and takes on new forms. Think of a drop of water falling into a lake. The drop loses its shape. It becomes part of the lake, but the water itself doesn't go away. Similarly, the energy of a living thing doesn't vanish after death. It becomes part of the universe's energy. This energy can then contribute to the formation of something new. This concept of energy transformation is central to understanding reincarnation scientifically. It's not about a soul moving from one body to another. It's about the fundamental building blocks of existence, energy and information, being conserved and redistributed. This perspective allows us to approach reincarnation with a scientific lens. It removes the need for supernatural explanations. Instead, it grounds the concept in the laws of physics, suggesting that reincarnation is a natural process woven into the fabric of the universe. The McGinty Equation, or MEQ, is a scientific theory. It explains how energy behaves in the universe. The MEQ combines three key ideas. These are quantum fields, fractals, and gravity. Quantum fields are like invisible oceans. Everything exists as ripples in these fields. Imagine a stone thrown into a pond. The stone creates ripples that spread out. In the same way, particles are ripples in quantum fields. Fractals are shapes that repeat at different sizes. Think of a snowflake. Each arm of the snowflake looks like a tiny snowflake itself. The MEQ suggests that energy follows these fractal patterns. Gravity is a force that pulls things together. It affects how energy moves and changes. The MEQ shows how gravity influences the reincarnation process. When something dies, its energy doesn't disappear. The MEQ explains what happens. Imagine a star exploding. Its energy spreads out into space. This energy eventually helps to form new stars and planets. The same thing happens when a person dies. The energy that made up their body doesn't vanish. It returns to the universe. This energy might eventually contribute to the formation of new life. The MEQ suggests that this process follows fractal patterns. This means that some of the information from the original being might be preserved. This doesn't mean that a person's memories or personality will be reborn, but it suggests that some fundamental patterns might carry over. Imagine a hologram. It's a special kind of picture. If you cut a hologram in half, each half still shows the whole picture. Some scientists believe that the universe is like a hologram. This is called the holographic principle. The holographic principle suggests that information is never truly lost. Even if something disappears in one place, the information about it still exists somewhere in the universe. This idea connects to the concept of reincarnation. Even though a being dies, the information about its existence might still be present in the universe. This information might not be easily accessible or understandable to us, but it could theoretically be preserved within the fabric of space-time, much like data stored on a vast cosmic hard drive. The holographic principle provides a fascinating framework for considering the persistence of information, even beyond the death of individual beings.